This is day 22, and this challenge is called binary search trees. We need to write a function to get the height of a binary tree and return that value as an integer. So if you look at the main function, they have this object called solution, and it's actually defined here. So they have a node class. Every node is going to have a data member variable, a left and right nodes, and this constructor. So when a node is created, we can pass it a value, initialize that value, and set the left child and the right child to null by default. Then inside of this solution class, they have an insert method to insert a node in the tree. Looking back again at the main function, they create a root node, then they build the tree, and then here they call the function which we're supposed to implement. And then here they print the height of the tree. I've already explained the algorithm for this challenge inside of this video. I published that video last year, but I went into the details as to why we need to write the solution the way we did. So I'm just going to paste the solution here. This is available on my GitHub, so you can also grab the code from there and simply submit. If you want that code, you can go to the data structures folder on my GitHub, then go to trees and click on height of a binary tree. This here is the C++ version. And as you can see, the logic here is the same. So that's it for this HackerRank challenge. I'll move to the next tutorial now, and I'll catch you next time.